guys, welcome back to Yeti channel. Today we have what's coming up? Woohoo! Wow! Thank you to all my fans sending me all these presents, who like or love my videos. Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 presents for all my fans who love my videos or like my videos. Thank you for all of you sending me all these presents. Okay, this is the biggest present. I put this at the side. This also a big one. I also put on the side. Let's start with the small present. Here are the small presents. We have 3 small presents. This one is from Nyolo Ali. He said, "Dear Yeti channel, I like your channel so much. You can be a good girl." From Nyolo Ali. Wow, Nyolo Ali, look at this. His drawings are so nice. And this is his flower he draw. I love Yeti channel. Thank you, Ali. Thank you, Ali, of this. Okay, let me see which present did Ali give me. Ali give me, wow! Ali give me a skipping rope. This is the orange skipping rope. Thank you, Ali, for giving me the skipping rope. When it's sunny day, I can play outside skipping rope with my friends. Thank you, Ali. Let's put the skipping rope at the side. Thanks, Ali, for giving me this. Next, we're gonna open this one. This one is from John Ong Teo. Dear Yeti channel, I love your video so much. Oh, thank you, John. Oh, she drew the heart shape for me. Thank you, John Ong Teo. I love you. Let me see which present did John Ong Teo give me. He gave me an ice cream. Oh, got surprise inside this ice cream. And what else did John Ong Teo give me? Also, he gave me a stress ball, but it's a round shape. Got happy face here. Whoa, thank you, John, for giving me this stress ball. Thank you so much. Let me see what inside this ice cream. Let me open. Ooh, we have Tweety Bird. Thanks, John. You love my video. Thank you so much. Thank you, John, for giving me all these 3 presents. Thank you. Next, this one is from Rain An Kitty. She living very far away. Let me see what she writes. Dear Yeti channel, I live in USA, but I like your videos very much. Thank you, Kitty. Look at her drawing. She's so smiling. Yes, she's from USA. She lives very far, but I live in SG. Right? Thank you, Kitty, for giving me this. Let me see which Kitty bring me a present. Let's see which present did Kitty give me. Wow! What did Kitty bring me? Kitty bring me a fan. It's a green color fan. It's electric. It's very spoiled. What else did Kitty bring me? Wow! Katie bring me some red candy dispensers. This is from My Little Pony red candy dispenser. This is all the ones you can collect. Oh, there's another blind bag inside. It's another red candy dispenser for My Little Pony. It's the same thing. I have 2 blind bags and 1 fan. Oh, thank you, Katie, for giving this thing for me. Thank you, Katie. She lives in USA. Yes. So she bought this at Target. This is cost $4.99 for each one of these blind bags. Let's open 2 of these blind bags. Thank you, Katie, for giving me this. Let's start on the first one. This is how the packaging looks like. There's a tape Katie put in. She opened already. Now she don't want this. She gave me. Yes. This is My Little Pony red candy dispenser. 1 candy dispenser, 1 bag of red candy, and 1 mini poster. Okay, here's the bag. No codes. These are all characters you can get. You can get Rainbow Dash, Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Fluttershy, Applejack, Pinkie Pie, and it says look for secret limited edition characters. Let me see which character we get in the first one. I think I want Applejack. The first one. I want Applejack, please, Applejack. Applejack, please. Is it Applejack? Now, let's see the mini posters. And here are the ones you can collect. You can collect Rainbow Dash, Fluttershy, Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Applejack, Pinkie Pie. You can check now, you can get. Oh, the first one I get Fluttershy red candy. And here's the mini poster looks like. This is Fluttershy mini poster. Can you see? Yes. Let me see Fluttershy red candy. Wow, here's Fluttershy red candy dispenser. And how she looks. You can open here. Tongue thrust out and the candy pop inside. You can twist off her hair. Pop it off. And here's the little hole you can put some candies in. You can also mix and match their hair. And here's the keychain. You can hang her in a backpack or a purse or your school bag. So that's so cool. We have the red bottom. She has the wings on the back, has a cutie mark. The first one you get Fluttershy. How about the second blind bag? It's another My Little Pony Friendship's Magic red candy dispensers. I think the next one I want is Rarity. Rarity, please. Rarity. Can I have Rarity, please? This is my last blind bag of the red candy, My Little Pony. Okay. I want Rarity. I want Rarity. No, it's not Rarity. We have Princess Twilight Sparkle. This is Princess Twilight Sparkle red candy dispenser. She also have a keychain, just like Fluttershy. Yes, everyone has a keychain. She comes with the horn here. You can look at this. Tongue pops out. Twist her hair. And here's a hole. Put some candy inside. Yes. She has the same thing as the red bottom. Yes. She has her wings and her cutie mark. So we have two of these. Let me mix and match. Let's mix Fluttershy and Twilight Sparkle. How did they look? They're so cool. Let me see Twilight Sparkle poster. This is Twilight Sparkle mini poster. She's so pretty. Yes. Let's keep this away. Thank you, Kitty, for giving me these red candy dispensers and a fan. Okay, let's open the big one. Let's open this one. What? This is from Janet Chan Wong Lim. She says, "Dear Yeti channel, I love your channel very much." Oh, she drew the heart shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 heart shape. And here's Janet. She's wearing a glasses. Her eyes is heart shape. She say Yeti channel. She draw a heart shape. Let me see what Janet bring me a present. Let me see which Janet we get. Let's see what Janet bring to me. Which present did she get for me? Wow! It's another My Little Pony. It's from what? It's from My Little Pony the movie. It's a hairband. Who is this hairband? Wow! My Little Pony the movie hairband. This is Rainbow Dash. This is Rainbow Dash hairband. If you want to wear this hairband, you can be Rainbow Dash. That's so cool. They also come with the bow of Rainbow Dash. Yes. If you want to be Rainbow Dash, please wear this hairband. Yes. That's so cool. Thank you, Janet, for bringing me this. Okay, let's move on to the last present. The biggest one. Wow, this is so big. This is from Tanjong Cindy. Yes. She says, "Dear Yeti channel, I like your channel very good. Your channel is 99% very good." Oh yes, thank you, Cindy, for saying my channel so good. Yes. She drew a heart shape. Yes. So good. What is this? So scary. Yes. Let me see what Cindy bring me. Let's open what Cindy bring me. What did Cindy bring me? She bring me a heart. This is a stress ball. What else did Cindy bring me? Oh, there's a little toy here. This is a giraffe. A toy giraffe. Is your favorite animal giraffe? Okay. Yes. Oh, there's the last thing inside that Cindy gives me. Wow, teddy bear. Wow, teddy bear. This is from NUHS. She is a girl teddy bear. Thank you, CD. I love teddy bear. I love you. Yeah. Thank you, Cindy. I love teddy bear. I want to play this all day long. Yay, thanks, Cindy. Oh my god, the legs are sticking out. Oh my god. I love you, bear. I love you too. Thank you so much, everyone. I love my present. That's my present. Can you see? All my presents are here. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.